So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today guys, I'm going to do a very thorough cleaning for my fridge. It's really dirty. I don't know what happened. I think I switched off my fridge, but I kind of forgot some lemons inside. So nikakuja after some time nikakuja kufungua and it's all molds. Let me just show you what's going up here. This is the situation in our fridge. I don't know if you can see it. It's so dirty. Oh my god, just look at that. Just look at that. Up close, let me show you. Just look at how dirty. Oh my god, I don't know. I just feel so embarrassed. I'm so embarrassed right now showing you what's going on in my fridge. That's the whole shabang bad news going on in my fridge. I don't know how the freezer looks like. Let's check it out. And that's it. So this is how dirty my fridge is. I'm so sorry, I'm just showing you this part. So I know some people are going to say how gross it is and all that, but I want to thoroughly clean it and let's see how we do it. Kindly stay tuned. Remember to like, share and subscribe. So guys, first things first, I'm just going to nenda kutoa hizi vitu ndani, everything inside. So let's do that in a few. So guys, next I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to wash. I'm going to use this Morning Fresh. I wish I had the liquid, but I'm going to use this paste. Just put it in warm water and look. And then I'm going to use this kitchen towel. I'm going to use some vinegar, some bicarbonate soda, and then lastly warm water. And then I'm just going to use this to also scrub in, and then I'm going to use this to dry out the fridge. So let's get started. This one to dry out. So this is my water. It is warm water inside. I have the soap. So I just mixed everything here. Some soap, the vinegar and bicarbonate soda. So let's get started. I'm going to start out with For the record, I really went into details. Like I cleaned my fridge slowly by slowly into the smallest parts that sometimes somebody may just assume. So that's what I'm generally doing here. And then you see this rubber type of thingy here, the one that I'm pulling down. I literally pulled it all out and washed it. So guys, I kindly advise you, if you have a fridge like mine, make sure you pull this thing out. It's easier to return it, so make sure you pull it out and wash it well and nicely, because sometimes some roaches hide themselves inside there. So kindly remember to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for always supporting me. So guys, this is the final outlook of the fridge after cleaning it up. This is how it looks. Look here, it's so clean right now. I mean, just look at that. And this is all that I wanted after a long time. My fridge was so bad looking. And then guys, I kind of broke this one. It's so unfortunate, but I will look for a way to replace it. So that's the general view of the fridge after cleaning it up. This is it guys, gorgeous, so clean. I mean, look at that, amazing. I really love it. So kindly remember to like, share and subscribe. Next time I'm going to do the fridge organization video and show you what is in my fridge. So let's do that another time, another day. Until next time, au revoir.